Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification button if you want to see more content, as well as follow me on Bloom Graphics on Instagram. Today I'll be showing how to use the wand, the sampler, and the orbit tool. I will do this showing 3 can shapes. When you right click on the wand icon, which you can also use W, it shows selection modes. So mostly the magic wand tool is used to select items. This can happen according to the size or similarity of the product. Using the magic wand tool, you can click on the item on your canvas. If you want to select more than one item, you can click on the other item while also clicking Shift. You can also undo this while selecting Shift to deselect the item. The next tool we're going to be talking about is the sampler tool. This will help add materials and colors to the item. First, we're going to add different materials to each can. We'll add rainbow anodized metal to one of the cans. The next can we will add brass. And the third can we'll just add a glitter. Now, using the sampler tool or keypad I, we're going to be able to change the glitter can into one of the other cans. So we're going to start off by changing it into the rainbow color material. And then we'll also try it with the brass. That is how you sample and apply using the sampler tool, which you can also press Alt to go back and forth between the two. Now we're going to focus on the orbit tool, which is keypad 1 or the right click on your mouse. The orbit tool will actually move your environment around on the canvas. With the orbit tool, you can actually move around your canvas on a 360-degree motion. You can select 3 different interaction rules, one for both horizontal and vertical. Right-clicking on the orbit tool also brings you tripod, horizon, and roll camera tool. All of these help you move along your canvas at different angle views, and they also have certain restrictions. So go ahead and try each one out and see what you can come up with. The roll camera tool flips your whole canvas upside down in a 360-degree view. Each one of these tools are difficult to use, but with practice you'll be able to learn how to manage them. That's all I have for today's video, so just come back for the next video and see what else we can come up with in Adobe Dimension.